How to use HIPAA-compliant messaging and video platforms.
1. Choose the right platform. Use platforms that specifically advertise HIPAA compliance. Example, Zoom for Healthcare, Doxy.me, C, Microsoft Teams Healthcare, Spruce Health. Verify they provide a business associate agreement, or BAA, which legally ensures HIPAA compliance. 2. Set up secure accounts. Always use work email addresses, not personal accounts. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for extra login security. Limit access to only authorized staff members. 3. Configure privacy settings. Turn on end-to-end encryption when available. Use unique meeting links and passwords for video sessions. Disable features like recording, screen sharing, or file transfer unless absolutely needed. 4. Best practices for messaging. Only share minimum necessary information with patients. Never include sensitive identifiers, example SSN, full medical history, unless required. Double-check recipient details before sending a message. Log communications in the electronic health record, or EHR, when appropriate. 5. Best practices for video consultations. Ensure the patient is in a private, quiet space before beginning. Use headphones to prevent eavesdropping. Start with a quick identity verification, example patient's name, plus date of birth. Document key points from the consultation in the EHR immediately after. 6. Training and compliance. Regularly review HIPAA rules and platform updates. Attend training sessions on cybersecurity awareness. Report any security breaches immediately to supervisors or compliance officers. 7. Use secure devices. Access platforms only from encrypted, password-protected devices. Avoid using public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN if remote. Keep operating systems and apps updated to patch security vulnerabilities. 8. Control access and permissions. Assign role-based access. Only authorized staff see patient data. Regularly review user accounts and remove inactive users. Lock devices when unattended, even briefly.
9. Maintain audit trails. Use platforms that track message history, logins, and activities. Regularly review logs to monitor unauthorized access attempts. Document all communications in the EHR for accountability. 10. Communicate policies with patients. Inform patients about the secure platform being used. Provide instructions on how to log in safely. Encourage patients not to record or share sessions without consent.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching. If you like contents like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.